Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'll be trying on and reviewing one of the cheapest lashes on the market, that is the Mars eyelashes. I have 5 styles with me and I'll be sharing my thoughts on each of them. Just a side note, I have hooded and downturned eyes and I'll be using the Miss Clear eyelash glue for this tutorial, and without further ado, let's get started. Before we get into the actual styles of these lashes, let's first talk about its packaging. It comes in a basic cardboard packaging like so. I really love how colorful they've kept the box. The details and the name of the lashes can be found on the back side, and they have also mentioned the name of the styles up in the front of the box, which is very convenient. And each of these lashes retails for rupees 99, so they are extremely affordable if you're on a budget. Moving on, the first style is OG Princess. These are super light and flexible. It doesn't have much length or volume at its roots, so they won't cover a lot of your lid space, which makes them a perfect pair if you have hooded eyes. Up next is the Style 2 Classic Girl, which provides some drama and volume at its roots. These kind of had a fragile band which did get a little distorted while I was taking them out. They have a medium length but definitely will add some drama to your eyes if you are going for an intense eye look. The next style is Flirty Miss. These definitely have a much longer length than the previous falsies, which will help in opening up those eyes. However, they don't have much volume at the roots, so you can definitely use these if you are going for those no makeup or natural makeup looks. The style 4 is Natural Flutter. It really defines my eyes. It just provides perfect volume at the roots and enough drama to the eyes with its long length. These will look perfect for the occasions in which you need a dramatic eyelash but don't wanna hide your eye makeup. And the last but by no means the least is our fifth style, Party Ready, which has volume and length and intense lashes. This one is super curvy and also has an overall dramatic look. The lash band was pretty flexible for this one. I love the length, the volume and the curve. Definitely one of my favorite dramatic lashes out of the whole collection. So my final thoughts on these falsies would be they are super affordable, no doubt, with great quality. They have a good variety of styles ranging from natural ones for those very soft makeup looks to dramatic ones if you want a more glam look. But what I loved the most about these falsies are that even though they have dramatic options, but these picks are not too over the top that it will make you look totally unnatural. So if you happen to find this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.